Dull hair refers to hair that lacks moisture and natural shine. Dullness develops when your hair does not receive or retain enough moisture. The symptoms of dull hair include dryness, frizziness, and rough texture. Today, we will be guiding you a new detox hair treatment for your dull hair. After doing this treatment for 2 to 3 times, you will get your radiant bouncy hair back. So without further ado, let's get started. Our first step is to remove the buildup. Your scalp has more sebaceous gland than your face. The natural occurrence of sweat, dead skin cells and oils, as well as everyday pollutants and product residues all combine to create buildup of damaging the scalp. So for strong and healthy hair, the removal of buildup at least once a week should be a part of your scalp and hair care regime. So we use a scalp scrub today. We use 1 tablespoon of ground coffee, half cup of rose water and half teaspoon of turmeric. Make a paste of this all 3 together and apply on the scalp and massage the scalp for 10 minutes and wash off with normal water. Then we are going to apply our detox hair mask. Our ingredients: 2 tablespoons full of activated charcoal, 1 cup of fresh milk and 1 tablespoonful of sesame oil. Mix all ingredients very well for 5 minutes. According to your hair volume and your hair length, you can adjust these proportions. Apply this hair mask on your scalp and all your hair and leave it for half an hour. After half an hour, wash off your hair with a herbal shampoo. And after using an herbal shampoo, use a herbal conditioner as well. After conditioning your hair, take equal amount of apple cider vinegar and cold water. Mix these 2 together and rinse your hair nicely. Towel dry your hair. Don't use a hot air dryer. Blow drying is okay. Do this treatment once a month. After doing 2 or 3 sessions, you can see your healthy, shiny hair back. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell down below so you will not miss any of my newest videos on Ayurveda, beauty and yoga. Thank you for watching.